In this short video, we will go over the interior light setting for a 2016 Honda Odyssey. Let's start with the light switch. This switch has three positions: on, off, and a middle door activated position. We will go into details on each of these settings. In the on position, all the interior lights in the vehicle come on. It doesn't matter if you open any door or not, the lights will all come on. In the off position, the interior lights in the vehicle remain off, regardless of whether you open any door or not. You have to manually turn on the map light each time. The door activated position, or the middle one, is the most useful setting of all. This position lets you have the lights automatically come on when you open any of the doors. If you want your lights to come on automatically if you say unlock the driver's door from the outside, then this is the setting that this switch needs to be at. In the door activated position, the interior lights fades out and goes off about 30 seconds after the door closes. You can change this dimmer light to 60 seconds or 30 seconds or 15 seconds through the vehicle settings. I have a separate video showing how to change the dimmer light timing. You can check that out if you want to learn more. Now the map lights. The map lights can be turned on and off by pressing the lens. You can use this when the switch is in the off or the middle door activated position. In the on position, the lens switch won't work. Now for the lights in the back, you can similarly turn on or off these lights by pressing the lens. The only difference here is that these lights would not work if the front switch is in the off position. You have to make sure that that switch is in the middle or the door activated position to work. So there you have it. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.